Okay, it's time for my little win video, and today I want to talk about my win of knocking out my top 3. Every day I try to sit down, either the night before or that morning, and I write out things that I need to accomplish. And usually I come up with a long list. I've got notebooks, post-it notes, little pieces of paper with all these different things, tasks that I need to accomplish. So instead of overwhelming myself and having this long list sitting beside me, I create this. I've got my top 3. I try to come into my studio every morning and I write down the 3 things that are going to be my focus for the day. And typically what I'll do is pick one. Once it's knocked out, I move to the next one. Now, there are times when it's like today where I'm cutting paper, so I'm sitting at the desk, I'm working basically my normal day. And sometimes I put that down as a priority, so I make myself work for a few hours. And then when I get tired of that, I look at, okay, number 2, I need to fix an email issue. So when I knock that out, I can go over here, I can mark that off my list and then get to the next one. If I knock out all 3 of those, I've had a great day and I can move on to something else on the list if I feel like it, or I can just go back and work on cutting paper or making videos. So that's my little win for today. Make a list, pick the top 3 priorities, knock those out, and you'll feel like you've accomplished something great for the day. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know what your win is for today.